Let's go fishing, Shaw!
You catch him, I'll get him! Hold on!
Pick a door.
All right, then.
No, that's my door. Pick another door.
What's wrong with you? You know what? You were right. This is your door.
What's the matter? You got a lot of bad guys behind that door?
Access granted. Access denied. Access denied. Access denied.
Luke Hobbs and Deckard Shaw. We've got unfinished business. Shaw's sister took something from me. A virus that could wipe out half the population, and I want it back.
You want to tell me just what we're dealing with here?
It's my sister. Family business.
When it's the fate of the world, it becomes my business.
This whole thing sounds really dodgy. Look after your sister.
Listen, I'll handle it.
The only way we survive is working together, like a team.
Let's do this.
Buckle up, fat boy. On my 3. 1!
Woo! Hey, see the look on his face? You have no idea how long I've been waiting to do that.
Yeah, 'cause it's war time!
The music's already started. Let's see if we can get in sync.
So you guys are being hunted by an army of mercenaries led by a genetically enhanced soldier.
Look at me. I'm Black Superman.
You're crazy.
Damn. He really is Black Superman. You need to get off the grid.
Where?
Home.
My baby's come home.
I'm sorry to bring trouble here, Mama, but I need my brothers. This family is going to war. We're gonna need cars and guns. Mama, where's all our guns?
I get rid of them.
Very noble, Mrs. Hobbs. We are in serious trouble.
That's an understatement.
Let's get old school.
Well, all right.
Come on!
'Cause it's war time!
We're going for a ride! Woo!
Tell me this is not happening. Get in the car.
We're all going.
No, you.
I said, we're all going.
Buckle up.
You might want to just...
Is he doing what I think he's doing?
I was on survival.
60-40.
Cowboy up!
reintroduce myself. My name is O.
There's two of them and $2 billion worth of us.
If the three of us don't work together, billions of people will die.
Your sister is one of the toughest, baddest, most capable women I've ever encountered.
No one could do it better.
My kind of girl.
I see what you're doing. You think I'm stupid?
Of course I think you're stupid.
O, H to the O-B. Thing ain't lie. I done came through the block and everything that's fly. I'm like, I never claimed I had wings on.
Woo! We're gonna need cars and guns.
Oh, I can handle that part.
I'm sorry to bring this here, Mama.
Luke, this is your home. You're gonna get one Samoan-ass whoopee.
I'm Black Superman.
Here comes a kryptonite.
Family never gives up.
Fresh out the frying pan into the fire. Oh,
No, this is not good.
We're going for a ride!
shoot at you actors like movie directors.
Welcome to my island, mother!
Either love me or leave me alone. Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is